Shargal curse. Ever heard of that phrase? To be completely honest, when I heard that, sabi ko, baka OA lang or overhype or their form of cloud chase. So sabi ko, let's find out. Let's experience it firsthand. Ayun guys, come with me. Come with us and let's try to find out what the Siargao curse is all about.
Who's to know what happens when the world ends? At least this is an okay bar for running into you. It's an awful house.
12 hours before our flight to Manila, we took our fur baby to date kasi mamimiss namin siya ng sobra. Actually, it's my first time na mahiwalay sa kanya ng ganito kahaba at hindi ko alam kung kakayanin ko, sa totoo lang. Time check, it's 7:40 AM, 20 minutes past our boarding time. Alam niyo bang pinakabobong gagawin mo kapag may flight ka? Yun ang malate, yun ang ginawa namin. Ang kwento, muntik kami maiwan ng eroplano. Yun. It's been a year since I rode a plane and actually until now hindi pa rin ako makapaniwala na kinakaya ko nang sumakay ng airplane using my own money. You know, small wins. Good afternoon and welcome to another travel vlog. Nabubuhay na lang yung account ko because of travel vlogging. Piling mayaman ko. So, time check, it's 2:53 PM and dumating kami kanina dito sa Manila ng 8:50 something. Umalis kami doon ng 7:20. Yeah, parang 30 minutes earlier than the expected time of arrival ata. Ganon kineme. And ang daming kapalpak ang nangyari guys kasi dapat 7:20 AM nandun na kami sa boarding gates. Ang nangyari, alas 7 po kami nagising. Hindi po sana kami magigising kung hindi dahil kay mama. Yon. Tapos pagdating namin doon, sabi nila, last glass call na daw, ganyan. So ang nangyari, nagmadali kami, ganon tinulak yung mga bagahe and all. Tapos inopen nila ulit yung, basta yung gate, yung stairs, ganon. For us. Pero, pangpalubag loob, hindi lang pala ata kami yung late, may inaantay pa. Pero nag-walk of shame talaga kami kanina sa gitna kasi nasa likod pa kami, like nasa seat 24 kami. Tinitignan nila kami lahat. Very late, gano'n. Pero hindi naman super late kasi 7, ang alis ata is, kasi hindi naman super late, pero late na kami. Yun lang. And then, ang ginawa namin, dumating na kami kanina dito ng mga 8:50 AM. So, ang flight pa namin is mamayang madaling araw, which is 12:30 AM. So, ang ginawa namin, if you watch my Bali vlog, di ba may na-discover nga kami na parang launch dito sa Terminal 3. So, sabi namin, pagdating namin dito na muna kami magstay. So, kanina lang namin na-find out yung room rates nila. So, ang pag-stay mo dito is 7.5 hours. 7 hours and 30 minutes. And then, may sila, 1 meal pass, and then free shower, and then unlimited pastries and coffee. So, ang ginawa namin, kung mag-check-in na kasi kami agad ng ganun kaaga, lalabas din kami ng maaga. So, ang ginawa namin, nag-antay kami ng oras, tumambay muna kami sa labas, nanood kami, and then nagmerienda, nag-coffee, ganun. para mag-check-in kami dito ng mga 2:30 or 3 o'clock PM para lalabas din kami dito mamayang 10 para konting oras na lang then flight na namin. Ganon. Ewan ko kung napagmamatch niyo yung mga sinasabi ko. I'm so stressed kasi hindi ako nakatulog kagabi. Tapos sa mga may gustong mag-stay dito, anong tawag na dito? Ay, anong tawag na to? The Wings Tourist Lounge?
Oo.
Ayun, The Wings Tourist Lounge, ganyan, Kineme. So, ang prices nila, meron silang yung uupo ka lang, ganon. Kung gusto mo na yung mga hours na lang yung stay mo dito, walang shower, ganon-ganon. I think that's 1,100. And then, meron din silang capsule room. Yun yung kapag solo traveler ka or mag-isa mo lang talaga na, gusto mo mag-isa lang kahit may kasama ka. Gusto mo mag-isa ka lang sa room. Ganyan parang Japanese type na capsule room. That's 1,400 per pax. So, since dalawa kami, ang room for 2 pax is twin room. Ang itsura niya is double deck. Sakto lang talaga, like makaka-rest ka. And then, ang maganda dito is, syempre, like, lalo kung connecting flights ka, hindi ka na-addis dito sa airport. So, bali magre-rest ka na lang, then mag-shower ka, para hindi ka naman ngarag. Like, gaya nung punta kaming Bali na ilang oras kami dito sa airport nag-antay, tapos alam mo yung mamantika na yung mukha namin, ganon. So, good thing is nalaman namin about this. So, trinay namin. Yun lang. So, ang flight namin is 12:30 mamaya. And then, from Manila to Cebu, mag-stay muna kami doon for 3 hours. Then, aalis na kami from Cebu to Siargao. So, babalitaan ko kayo guys. Yun lang naman so far, kapalpakan namin. I hope hindi na madagdagan. Pero yun nga, nag-feel na kami sa first mission namin this travel. Nasabi namin, titipid kami, wala mo nang gasto-gasto, ganon. Pero guys, kararating namin, kumain na naman ulit kami dito. Yun unang ginawa namin. So, isleep muna ako guys. Kasi super late ako natulog. Like, I slept around 4 AM. Ganon. Tapos nagising ako ng 7 kasi hindi kami nagising ng alarm. Yun lang. I-sleep muna ako guys and babalitaan ko kayo and I'm so excited. Bye bye! So guys, mag-alas 6 pa lang and we decided to take early na. Tapos alin na pala sa yung 2.5, yung meal mo for a day. Pero isang beses na. Pero ano dito, yung mga business na. Pwede bang magpunta doon?
Hindi ba din?
Hello guys! Time check, it's 10 o'clock. Nag-check out na kami sa The Wings and for now, try namin kung pwede na kaming pumasok sa boarding gates. Since ang call time? 11:45. Ha? Ha? We reprinted our boarding pass. So, backstory of this video guys is nire-recover ni Eloy yung Grab account niya kasi nagro-rush kaming mag-book ng Grab car namin to Terminal 4 since we are in the wrong terminal. Late namin yun na-realize. Puro kapalpakan po ang biyahe namin ngayon. Nandito kami sa Terminal 3 at ang terminal pala ng flight namin is Terminal 4. Buti na lang 10 o'clock kami nag-check out so medyo may time pa kaming maging tanga.
Bad news.
This is our second time here at Naiya, pero tanga pa rin po kami. Nalala mo nung nawala na naman tayo papunta yung inikot-ikot natin yung ano, sabi natin sa Terminal 1 tayo, Kinems. Walang tagal. Taxi na lang ata tayo, boy.
From far away she looks so good. Grew up in the same neighborhood, and that's how the road so in. Spend a few hours on the
Eloy tagabuhat forever.
Never broke a bone, so I'm gonna
that.
try hard to prove you wrong. That I'm not who I used to be. I'm not living at 17. Let's go. feet away, she's like a primrose. You never thinking me about so complex, and I know why you said it, 'cause I'm reading every word.
Ay, wow. Goodbye, Philippines. Hello, Cebu. Guys, alas 2 na. I mean, past 2 na. And galing kami Manila. And sinusubukan namin humanap ng pagkain. Yung mainit sana na sabaw. At nag-Jollibee pa nga dito sa Cebu.
Now I'm not who I used to be. Maybe it's a good thing, got a good thing coming, it's a good thing that we're not who we used to be.
Time check, guys, it's 4:40. Last flight na namin for today. Last flight bago yung destination natin, gago. Ay. My eyes, my God. Grabe, oh. Hindi ko na alam. Buti pa ito nakatulog. Ang papangit na natin. Pero at least busog.
Habang tulog si Eloy, ang dami kong realizations dito while staring out the window. Habang tinitignan yung night lights, I realized that there's so much more to life than just staying in one place, and I'm hoping that next year I will be brave enough to be outside my comfort zone.
Guys, quick room tour. Kahit pagod na po tayo galing biyahe. So, eto, kitang-kita mo yung sa may labas. May pool. Actually, ito yung minamanifest kong room natin. Ito mismong part. So, may stair siya. Merong bed dito. Ayan. And then, ang aesthetic, gagi. Sa description nila, they are Balinese-inspired boutique Airbnb. Ang ganda! Sheesh! Sheesh! Tapos, daming salamin. I love it. Tapos wala pa dito yung another mirror. And then, ano to? Tig-isa natin ang banyo?
No, yung isa-isa na.
Ah, okay. Grabe guys, ang ganda. Like, parang dito yung mamomotivate kang tumae. Ang ganda. I love it. And then, yan. This one, ito yung vaccine. They also provide shampoo, conditioner, and body soap. So, ganito lang din. Oh my God. Wait lang guys, papakita ko sa inyo yung bed dito sa taas. Ang punto. Promise, hindi ko alam kung bakit to. Ayan, di ba? Ganda, shit. So, ang ganda talaga. I swear to God, ang ganda. Hello guys, we check. So, my dress is from, this is a famous dress from TikTok, and I paired it with this bag. Ito talagang bag ko, buong stay dito sa Siargao. This is from Bali. Gift ko to sa sister ko. Pumunta akong Bali. Yung narinig nyo guys is because we book a pet-friendly Airbnb. So, ang daming pets yung may-ari. And this, kasi sawa na ako sa mga pearls ko. These shades, si Ella yung bumili. And then my slipper is from CLN. Actually, hindi siya sa akin.
괜찮아. 괜찮아요.
Ka muna,
Settling down. Falling in love, not falling. Each of us both done in the crown. A king and a queen, royally bound.
Hello guys, we're here at Siargao Corner Cafe. Kasi pumunta kami sa Shaka pero walang available na pizza. Kasi 12 pa daw yung open yung katabi nilang pizza. And then yung Shaka is vegan. So hindi sila nag-serve ng rice. So kaya kami lumipat dito sa Siargao Corner Cafe. The problem is pati sila, alas 2 available yung mga pasta. Pero gutom na kami, nahihilo na kami, naantok na kami, kaya dito na kami nakain.
So this time, the goal is to really just enjoy the view. Kasi actually, the place itself, very aesthetic na. And we still can't believe that we are at Siargao. Parehas kami, hindi pa nagsisink in.
Both called it from the beginning. Called it. We knew that the right to be nice. We do what we gotta do to stay winning. Passing my fights will keep and trust. And you make me wanna say I love you better today than yesterday. Every day is gonna play out the same. Hey, I love you better today than yesterday.
Get lost in Siargao, check.
Hello guys! Kakabalik namin galing Siargao Corner Cafe para mag-brunch. And now, bumalik kami dito sa villa namin just so we could rest. Kasi nasabi ko naman kanina, wala pa kaming maayos na sleep. Lalo na tong eyes ko. Kahit i-sleep man lang sana na maayos, hindi. Wala, I mean. So, yeah, magnanap muna kami. And I love it! Nag-provide sila ng mga robes, ganon. Very social. Ang ganda-ganda ng place. Siguro mamaya, tatry ko kung makakapag-dip ako sa pool. Pero ngayon, ang priority muna is matulog. Bye-bye, ciao!
It's gonna play out the same. It's gonna play out the same. Growing as one, not growing apart. Apart. Say what we mean, say it from the heart.
Bikini fit check for day 1. Tuk 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 tuk.
Alam nyo, the funny thing is, para ako nasa loob ng TikTok. Kasi hindi ako makapaniwala na nandito na ako sa mga pinapanood ko lang dati sa IG Reels, sa YouTube vlogs and all. Very grateful lang talaga ako na nandito ako this time.
Make a movie, I'll pick you up.
Guys, there's a bit of situation here in front of Kermit or on the way to Kermit. Tingnan nyo guys.
We can boogie. Oh.
Ka muna,
My, oh my, we both like sweet apple pie. Yeah, they want a piece of us. My, oh my, when we drive on by, they just can't deny. Yeah, they wanna be like us. Na 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 na. We are goofy, playing tag in the jacuzzi. We'll go upstairs, with our best moves we get groovy. My, oh my, we both look so fly like sweet apple pie. Yeah, they want a piece of us. My, oh my, when we drive on by, they just can't deny. Yeah, they wanna be like us. Na 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 na. out all night or at home lazy. We're living like we're in the 80s. My oh my, we both look so fly, like sweet apple pie. Yeah, they want a piece of us. My oh my, when we drive on by, they just can't deny. Yeah, they wanna be like us. Na 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 na.
Ay, shucks, B. Ang sarap. Shit! Ay! Shit, nakikita niyo yun.
You like sweets talaga, ha?
How's the food? I-rate natin yung food. How's the pizza? We ordered Cloud9 pizza guys.
Gusto mo yung pizza?
Medyo salty yung...
Salty lang siya, pero...
Ano yung tawag? Permaham? Permaham. Medyo salty pero ang sarap. Masarap siya. Yung spaghetti a la carbonara. Yun yung... Ano? Ilan yung rate mo? Over 10.
10.
Chocolate cake sa akin is 9/10. Kasi medyo nakakaumay siya. Yung 1, yung -1, yun na yung umay. Yung shake guys, kung magsa-shake man kayo dito, huwag na kayong order ng banana.
Gago. Mali mo naman yung mga ganyan talaga yung taste buds.
Banana, choco, coco, ano yan? Basta siya kasi yung pinaka nakaka-invite orderin kung mag-shake ka. Pero no ate, nakihilo ka ate. Alam mo yung banana split na candy, siya yun. Ginawa lang drinks. Yung mango, goods naman, 7/10.
Did I mention to you guys na the goal really is to have a slow travel? Ayaw namin yung nagmamadali. So this night, it is just a spontaneous trip, spontaneous day. So na-realize namin parang gusto namin maglakad-lakad sa mga souvenir shops, ganun, para makita namin yung mga ipapasalubong namin kapag last day na namin. So yun.
She got me in tango, faking me like Ringo, dancing like it's tango. I'm in over my head. She got me in tango, faking me like Ringo, dancing like it's tango. I'm in over my head. Two left feet, I'm twisted up. 3-step and 2's not enough. For you, it's the price I pay. 5 below, almost in the grave. Gotta hand it to you, got me stumbling hard. I got this sinking feeling that you're leading me on. I don't mind it, kinda like it. She got me in tango, faking me like Ringo, dancing like it's tango. I'm in over my head.
Hello guys!
Ito, kain ng kain. Natatay na kami.
Kain na kami ng kain. First day pa lang namin, naka-4 na ata tayong coffee. Except pa yung mga ininom namin dun sa airport. Take note of that. And ngayon, since 5, binavalidate namin. Special day kasi namin today. So, binavalidate namin, nagagasto kami. Kasi kagagaling namin Kermit. And then, sabi namin, mag-take out ka na naman kami ng coffee para inumin namin while we're swimming or having a night dip. Yun. Tapos, nandito kami ngayon. Actually, this is spontaneous. Tong araw na to is sponti talaga lahat. Kasi hindi namin pinano lahat ng pinuntahan namin.
Okay.
I mean, I just have an idea about Kermit, kaya pumunta kami doon. Alam, grabe, umitim na ako agad. Pero yung pinuntahan namin Siargao Corner Cafe, alam ko din yun, may idea din ako doon. Pero hindi yung plano kong punta namin today.
Oh, sorry.
Hindi ko yung plinano. Tapos hindi din namin plinanong magka-Kermit kami today. Kasi supposedly sa Shaka kami. Tapos nakwento ko naman na kanina na hindi kami nakabunta. Pero ngayon, ito, hindi ko talaga alam, hindi ko rin to na-search. Ano na kasi pangalan niya?
Banay.
Banay. Nandito kami ngayon sa Banay. So, located din siya dito sa Tourism Road. Nasa corner lang din siya. Ganyan. Yan. Main road na yan. And we're waiting for our coffee. He ordered the Spanish latte, cold. And then sa akin is cappuccino. Pero if ever na mabait siya, sa kanya yung cappuccino, akin yung Spanish latte. At pares na kaming natatae. So yun yung problema namin. Tayo na ako. Ano? Ang ganda pag nag-work ka lang dito, tapos nagtahimik ka.
She got me entangled, faking.
Time for our night dip. At ito na nga yung binili namin kanina na coffee namin. At yung tira naming pizza kanina sa Kermit. So that kapag nagutom kami while having the night dip is kakain kami Banay coffee. Wait lang. Tikman ko siya. Ito yung Spanish. Ito yung Spanish. Sarap. Cappuccino. Okay lang. Okay na to.
Every night I try to love, but your heart is made of stone. All my tears, they fall like rain, yet you leave me here alone. I give you all I have inside. You pretend it's all pretend. Your empty eyes, they break me down. Will this torment never end? Endless pain, it's all I know. Hurt me more or let me go. In this game, my heart will lose. Change your ways or set me loose. Cold nights and colder days, living in your shadow's maze. I guess I never find the light, living in this endless night. Promises you never keep, whisper lies when I'm asleep. Lonely, I just sit and weep. Love me now or